Former Senator J.B. Ejercito had a public meltdown on Twitter. He lost his cool after netizens questioned him about the law requiring car seats for children. At first, Ejercito ridiculed people panicking about the measure. Things got heated when a netizen questioned the vagueness of the law. But the former lawmaker took it the wrong way. The tweet earned Ejercito more haters. Realizing his mistake, the former politico apologized.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.